Billboard Fan Army 4-Pit Champion SB19's 18. Paano? How did it happen? They have called us bots, mafias, lahat na ng kailigalan na ibintang na sa amin. Because to an outsider, our numbers look impossible. But if you want to know what truly powers the unstoppable voting machinery of 18, you don't look at code. You look at the human heart, the 18 blue heart. I have been on the front lines of this fandom's voting force since 2023. And this is the story of a fire that never goes out. 2023, the unforgiving standard. I remember joining 5 different voting group chats back in 2023. During one of those rounds, we were leading by an overwhelming landslide. Thinking I was being clever, nagbida-bida ang lola mo. I typed into the chat, "Let's slow down, save our strength so that our fandom doesn't see us or the other fandom doesn't see us coming in the next round." The response was swift, immediate, and cold. I was pushed aside, outcasted, treated almost like a traitor, pakawala ng kabila, just by suggesting we slack off. I was hurt until the realization hit me like a wave. To 18, every single vote is sacred. It represents someone's precious time, sleep, and sacrifice. Suggesting we hold back was an insult to the hustle. That day, I learned this fandom doesn't negotiate with effort. We give everything, all out, every single time. 2024, the shift and the handoff. By 2024, the fight got harder. I worked alongside fellow analysts, turning our devotion into raw data, calculating vote targets or numbers of emails needed down to the minute. It was our toughest year, a period of pure, relentless grit. Remember the collective desperation when we begged Yanni to take SB19's phone away so they would stop posting, just so we could focus on voting. And he simply replied, "Noted." Alam namin na joke yon, but it proved that everyone from 1C to the fans or 18 that we are locked into the same battle. Group chats ran 24-hour technical support to help first-time voters through the glitches. But 18 real strength wasn't just in the spreadsheets. The group chat members were only a fraction of our army. The true thunder came from the silent killers, the nameless, unguided 18 across the globe who simply showed up in the quiet hours of the night. And when midnight hit the Philippines, the messages would roll into the group chats from overseas. "We are awake, kami naman. Pahinga na kayo. We have the wheel." And some 18 replies were, "Sige, balik kami mamaya. Papakain lang ng mga bata. Papasok lang muna sa trabaho or school. Maglalaba, magluluto lang muna." This exchange of messages across every continent and time zones that seems like the torch was passed without missing a beat. It was indeed a real touchy moment for everyone. 2025 to 2026, an unstoppable wave. By 2025 and 2026, I stepped back from the group chats. Yet, the moment a massive call-out actions like Billboard Fan Army dropped, the internet exploded. Detailed guides, campaign posts, even comments on high engagement posts. It could just be a regular FYI post, but it is also a reminder to regroup and vote. There was no central command, no forced orders, just a global family acting as one single beating heart. What not everybody knows that every time 18 faces challenges, we regroup. And every single time we regroup, we came back stronger, louder, and more unstoppable than before. Why 18 built differently? The blueprint. The group chats build the structure. The aurum reminds us the basic. But the fandom's love to SB19 builds the power. The fire of the newborn fan, the fiercest and strongest voters, are the ones who just fell down the rabbit hole. The new fans who feel that electric, urgent need to carry SB19s to the top. The feeling to be part of their success is real. The sacred oath. Our name isn't just a label. 18 means ours. While veteran fans keep us anchored to SB19's ultimate vision of world domination, the whole world carries its weight. Let them call us cult. Let them call us mafia. They use those words because they cannot comprehend a love so fierce that it moves mountains without asking anything in return. Fangirling may only be a small chapter in our busy daily lives, but inside this fandom, that small chapter becomes legendary. We found a place where we belong. We built this history, vote by vote, sacrifice by sacrifice. To my fellow 18, thank you. Hold your heads high. Congratulations to the greatest, strongest fandom on earth. Mabuhay ang 18. Mabuhay ang SB19.